Before factory resetting your SafeLink phone, it's crucial to back up your data to prevent permanent loss. SafeLink phones typically run on Android, making the backup process straightforward using Google services. First, connect your phone to Wi-Fi. Then go to Settings, Google, Backup, and enable the backup option. This will back up your photos, contacts, app data, and more to Google Drive. Ensure your phone is charged to at least 50% during the backup process to avoid interruptions. Cloud backups have become increasingly reliable, with 65% of Android users utilizing them as of 2025. Skipping this step can lead to significant data loss, so always prioritize backing up your data. Once your data is backed up, you can proceed with the factory reset. There are two primary methods: a software reset and a hardware reset using recovery mode. For the software reset, navigate to Settings, then System, then Reset Options, and select Erase All Data Factory Reset. You may need to enter your PIN or pattern. This process typically takes 5 to 10 minutes. If the software reset fails, use recovery mode. Power off the phone, then press and hold the volume up, power, and home buttons simultaneously for Samsung models. In the recovery menu, select Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm. Post-reset, you'll need to set up the phone as new or restore from your backup. Be aware of factory reset protection, which may require you to log in with your Google account to prevent unauthorized access. Remember, factory resetting restores the phone to original settings, resolving many software issues, but it's irreversible without a backup.